He is charged in the June 2021 killings of his wife Maggie and son Paul at the family's property in Colleton County.
Today, the jury was seated and the defense and the prosecution delivered their opening statements.
Of course, it is in the Murdaugh murder trial, which is ongoing, and expecting to hear witness testimony for the jury tomorrow. Our WIS crew following that trial live in Colleton County. Nick Neville leading our coverage this evening outside of the courthouse in Walterboro.
And Nick, the big picture here after listening to those opening statements, what is the argument on each side?
Yes, Judy and Dondi. So the prosecution alleges that they have cell phone data and gunshot residue to prove that Murdaugh was the killer. The defense argues that there's no proof and no witnesses. Ultimately, though, it's going to be a jury of Murdaugh's peers that's going to decide his fate as this trial unfolds. Opening statements today in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh, painting two vastly different pictures of the night of June 7th, 2021, when Paul and Maggie Murdaugh were shot and killed. Minutes before the trial started, our cameras caught Buster Murdaugh, Alex's lone surviving son, arriving at the courthouse. He's a potential witness in this trial. In a fiery opening statement, lead prosecutor Creighton Waters said the evidence will show that Alex shot his son Paul first with a shotgun, and then shot his wife with an AR-style rifle moments later.
Pow, pow. 2 shots, abdomen and the leg, and took her down. And after that, there were additional shots.
He also says the evidence will catch Alex in a lie.
The defendant, Alex Murdaugh over there, told anyone who would listen that he was never at those kennels. But the evidence is also going to show from these things that every one of us, most of us carry around in our pockets, that he was there. And he was there just minutes before, with Maggie and Paul, just minutes before their cell phones go silent forever and ever.
Murdaugh defense attorney Dick Harpootlian contradicting the state's arguments at every turn.
This is Alex Murdaugh. And Alex was the loving father of Paul and the loving husband of Maggie. You're not going to hear a single witness say that their relationship, Maggie and Alex's relationship, were anything other than loving.
In the end, Harpootlian appealing directly to the jury.
He didn't do it. He is innocent. He would require a verdict of not guilty from you. That's the law. That's your oath.
Both sides considered calling the state's first witness today, one of the first responding officers to the scene, but ultimately they decided to recess until tomorrow morning. Reporting in Walterboro, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
All right, Nick, thank you so much. And you can watch our daily coverage right here on WIS as well as on our app and at WISTV.com.